Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and thank you for joining me on this Freedom Funnel training. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to integrate GetResponse with your Freedom Funnel. If you go to page 7 of the Freedom Funnel, this is actually the training videos here on page 7. And Lee Murray does actually explain in this video here how to set everything up. The GetResponse integration changed and the information on the video is no longer relevant. So what we're going to do is we're going to change that. And I'm going to explain to you in this video how to set everything up. That's the video. That's the page here. So I'm going to show you how to set everything up. Now you do have to have the funnel set up because you need to direct your subscribers to one of the pages. So what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is you do need to have a LeadsLeap account because that's where the pages are hosted. So you have to have LeadsLeap set up, and it needs to be a pro account to host these pages. That's the first thing. And the second step is to get the HTML code. So I'm going to click on this link and we are going to just get this code here. And we're going to make some changes to the code, and that's how this is going to work. This is actually all the instructions are in this on this link, but I'm going to just go over it for you in the video. If you don't understand my accent or you prefer to read it, the actual instructions are here. But anyway, I'm going to go over it in this video. Let's do that, because sometimes it's easier to understand something if somebody explains it. So let me just copy and paste this HTML code in the box. So that's the forum code there, and we're going to make a couple of alterations for it in order for it to be imported into LeadsLeap. You've got your HTML code in a notepad and your funnel's set up and you're ready to integrate it. You've got LeadsLeap all set up, you've got your pro account and your funnel's all set up. You've got the HTML code, which is in this in a notepad. That's very important. And I'm going to make a couple of alterations to this code. And that's how this is going to work. So the first thing you need to, so after you've done all that, we need to log into LeadsLeap. Right, so that's us logged into LeadsLeap. Right, so what we need to do is we need to get the page manager. So page builder and page manager. Now when you copy and paste this code into the notepad, it's very important that you have the quotation, not the quotation marks, that you have the word form here with the backslash and the brackets, and the same at the top where it says forum, the brackets have to be there, otherwise this is not going to work. So let me just explain to you that HTML means hyperterminal markup language. It's basically just code for this forum here. It's that's in front of the forum and this code is behind it. And that code just tells the computer to sign somebody up. Now the reason why we're doing this, this is a very important step because this will save you money. The reason why we're doing this is because LeadsLeap have a double opt-in policy, which means when somebody signs in on LeadsLeap, it means that they have to receive an email asking if they have subscribed, and not everybody will subscribe. And that's called double opt-in. So to avoid that, we're going to do it this way. So say for example you bought a solo ad for 100 clicks and 20 people signed up and only 10 of them opted in, then you've lost that 10 subscribers potentially if they don't click on that link in the email. And that does actually happen a lot. So this is the reason why we're doing this, so it is very important. Now that we've got the squeeze page, we need to make a couple of changes. Let me go over to GetResponse. You do need to log into your GetResponse account. and go to your, let me just click on contacts, go to the dashboard and click on contacts, and then go to your Freedom Funnel list. I'm not going to show you how to set up the list because Lee Murray has done it in the previous video, so I'm not going over the same information. We go to the Freedom Funnel, go to settings. This step is very important. Click on the settings button and go to your subscription button here and click on subscription. This part here where it says block subscriptions may be enabled, so you need to disable that so that you're not blocking people and they're going straight onto your list. This is very important. Once you've done that, go back to your general settings and you will see here list token. Do you see that list token? So let me just copy this information and put that on the notepad. And that's it. So what we need to do now is we need to insert this information into the code. Now the first thing is, let me just show you let me just log out of this. Just log out of that again. Now let me just show you the squeeze page again. Let's see the squeeze page. This is the squeeze page. This is the squeeze page here. You will notice that there is only one form field, which is the email address. So if you look at the form, you will see that there's actually two lines of text for that. There's the email one here. This is the one that I've just mentioned. This is the input type here. And we have one for the name. So we don't have that. So highlight this and simply delete it. That's the first thing you have to do. The next thing that you have to do is get your list token ID, this information here, and copy this. And where it says campaign token value, where those three crosses are, you simply take out the three crosses and put that information here, cut and paste it into this, and make sure the quotation marks are on each side, otherwise it won't work. And the last thing that we need to do is where it says thank you URL value, in between these quotation marks, we're going to cut and paste this link here. This is the page that let me just check. It's the page that the customers go to when they log in. It's the bridge page. I think I've given you the wrong information. Let me just check this here. So bridge page. To get your bridge page, go to your LeadsLeap account in the page, page builder, page manager, bridge page. Where it says copy, just click on that and it will copy it. And go back to your notepad, and where those quotation marks are, you simply cut and paste the bridge page into the quotation marks. Now it's very important that the quotation marks are still there, otherwise this won't work. So that's the only three things that you have to do. We can get rid of this, we don't need that. That's just, this is a form here that we need. And then what you do is you go into your squeeze page. I'll just find my squeeze page. Yep. So go to your squeeze page where the form is hosted and click on Launch Editor. Just wait for a minute for this to load up. On your left hand side you'll see List Third Party. Click on List Third Party and then click Use Third Party List Manager. Click on that, and in this box here you cut and paste this form code. Just copy it, paste it into the box, and click Import this form. Click OK, and then go over to the green button here and click Save. Okay, click OK. Now, I'm just going to close this box, and this is our Freedom Funnel. squeeze page. Now, if you click on this button, you can actually change the lettering here. Let me just click on the button, and yeah, click on the button and go to edit text, and you can actually click on this and you can actually double click on it. And then when you see the cursor flashing, you can actually go in here and you can actually change this writing if you want. And that's just something that you can do if you want to change that text. Okay. And then once you've made any changes, always click the green button here. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to close this box and I'm going to go back to, I'm going to test the form to make sure that it's working. So we're going to go to the squeeze page link, copy that. Right, I'm going to close everything. I'm going to close LeadsLeap. And I'm going to close GetResponse, and I'm going to check to make sure that this is actually working okay. So let me just go to the squeeze page and make sure that the subscribers are actually going to get response. Now I changed the text on that button just to make sure that it's given me the actual updated one. Yeah, so it is. So let's just put in a random email address and click the button here. So that's taken us to the bridge page rather. Sorry, I got confused. It's the bridge page that connects the squeeze page with this page, and that's what we've done now. And then when you click to watch the video, it will take you to the passive class training. And that's how you set everything up for your GetResponse. It's just giving me an error message because I think I logged into it a couple of minutes ago. So let's just refresh the page and see what happens. Right, let's try this again. Right, I think that's it. It's just taking a couple of minutes to do its thing. Okay, so to check, once you've done them, watch the video a couple of times to understand how to do this, because it's only 3 bits of information that you need to put in, and it's not that difficult. And I think I've explained it so that you can that you understand it okay. If I haven't, please send me an email. Let's go over to the contacts and see if I have been added to my list. Click on the contacts button, click on the freedom funnel. And that's it there. So I have been added. I'm just going to delete myself. Just delete it. So that's it. Delete from account. There we are. So that's it. That's me added, and that's it integrated into GetResponse. So that's how you integrate GetResponse with LeadsLeap. And as I said to you before, it's very important to do this because you want to get all the subscribers possible onto your list. And with double opt-in, it does affect the conversion rate. That's all for today's video. Join me in the passive class and join me in the training, and email me if you do have any questions or any comments, because feedback is important, because I like to know if people can hear me okay and if I'm speaking clearly enough. I like to try and improve my videos so that it's helpful for people. So simonfoxhouse@gmail.com, simonfoxhouse@gmail.com. Send me a message and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in future videos.